Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to Charleswood. I am so excited about this listing today. It is at 599 Community Row. We are a 72-foot wide lot by 200 foot deep. It's a gorgeous lot. Let's talk about the house behind me here. Almost 1,100 square foot bungalow, fully updated inside and out. You've got a great master bedroom. You've got an open concept kitchen. You've got lots of great updates, hardwoods, high efficiency furnaces. The downstairs is incredible. It's got a fantastic bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. You're gonna love so much about this property. Let's just go check it out. And here we are in this beautiful backyard. We're talking 200 feet deep, 72 wide. So you've got a beautiful open space. It just keeps going. We've got a beautiful green space back here, well manicured. And check this out. We've got a fire pit area. We're facing right to the pond, which has a large composite deck. We've got a 24 by 24 garage. We've got a 12 by 10 shed. So many great things going on here. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 599 Community Row. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. But you'd never tell me when my hair was like having a bad hair day when we were doing videos, so I had to shave it. So thanks for that.
You look so good though.
Yeah, I actually do look pretty good with a shaved head.